Hey, welcome back everybody. In this video, we're going to go through the LinuxHub Prime installer so I can show you the options for the Arch install script. There's two new options that are added. The first is going to be the minimal, which is the regular one, which gives you only the minimal options. And then there's going to be a full, which is going to have all of the Arch install options. So let's go ahead and proceed to this installation so I can show you the changes. So we click on proceed. Then you just select whatever desktop you want to choose. And then on the next window, you'll enter your username, then give it a password, give the root a password, and then you have the auto login option, the select AUR option, and this is the option that I added for the Arch install script. So select Arch install method. By default, it's set to minimum, but you have the option of the full. So if I click on full, we'll proceed so you can take a look at it. So clicking on full will open up the next stage. And then from this window, it's just explaining you the changes that you need to make. And you can see right here, now you have all of the options. So let me click on proceed first. And right here, you have all of the options right here. So this is the virgin Arch install script. So basically just whatever you added as far as your username and passwords like that, that's on here. But you have all the options that you can go through. So you just use your up and down keys and, just select whatever options you want to make changes to. And that's pretty much the changes that, we make into the script now for LinuxHub Prime. So you have this option. If you select full, it's going to give you all of the options. So you can, you can edit everything on here. You can edit the Arch install language, the mirrors, locales, disk configuration, the bootloader, swap, host name, root password, user account, profile, audio, kernels, additional packages, network configuration, time zone, automatic time sync, and optional repositories. So you have the option to make all the changes on here. So let me go ahead and close this out. Okay, and now we're going to try the installer just using the regular method, which is the minimal. So it'll be the same thing. Just select whatever desktop you want to use. Enter your user info. So we'll start off with our username, user password, root password. And then right now it's on minimal. So I'll just click on OK. Let the installer proceed. Then from right here, you click on proceed. And it should just be the minimal options. So you can see the difference right here in the minimal. So this is the minimal, the way I got it set up. So that's going to be the changes moving forward with the installer. All right, you guys, that's going to do it for this video. And I'm out.